Hello guys, today we will learn about how to install MySQL Server along with MySQL Workbench and MySQL Shell. Okay. For that, first of all, open your browser. Then here type MySQL Server download. Okay. Then after that, click on the link which says download MySQL installer. Click here. I will be giving this link in the description or comment. Okay. So here we have MySQL version 8.0.36 and Microsoft Windows for operating system. Okay, then here you can see there are two files. One is MySQL installer web community and another is MySQL installer community. We will be installing this one, MySQL installer community. Okay, then click on download. Now after that, no thanks, just start my download. Click over there, then our download will start. So here I have already downloaded that, so I'll be canceling this because I have already downloaded that MySQL installer. So now after downloading your this MySQL installer file, click on it after download is complete. Okay, and after clicking you will see this dialog which says preparing to install. It will take a while. Okay, now after that you can see a dialog is pop up which says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Then simply click yes. Again, now another dialog is pop up or open which says, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Here also simply click yes. Okay, after that this dialog of MySQL installer will open. Okay, then here you can see several options, but we will be choosing costume. Select this one, then next. Then here you can see three options. Now first of all, expand this by clicking the plus sign. Okay, then also similarly here also, and again expand this. Then you can see this file. You select this file, then click on this arrow to install it. And again here you can see MySQL Workbench and MySQL, so we will be installing these two also. So expand this, then select the MySQL Workbench file, then next. And again in Shell also expand, then select the file, then click on the arrow. Then so after that, first next you will be seeing this dialog. Okay, now this dialogs open up. These three will be installed in our system. So here we will simply click on execute. Now it will take a while. Our first MySQL server and MySQL Workbench is completely installed. Now the only thing remaining is this MySQL Shell, right? Okay, so progress for installing is 45%. Next, and click next. Okay, then it's just ready to configure. Then next. here you can select multiple thing, okay, but we will simply, here it is given manual, dedicated computer, server computer, and this development computer. We'll simply click on leave it as it is, this development computer, okay. Then here you can see our port is 3306. We won't be making any changes to this, we will just only be seeing what are present over here, okay. Then after this, click on next. Then here it says use strong encryption for authentication, select this one, then next. Now give a password, okay, and please remember this password because you will be needing this when connecting MySQL with MySQL Workbench, okay. Okay, and then after MySQL password, you can simply click next. But if you want to add user also, you can use add new user, okay. But here if it can provide user, then this user uh, uh, also it won't make any difference. So we want to be creating any user, so we will simply click next, okay. And here it says configure MySQL Server as service. Here we will not be doing anything. Here what we will simply do is it's a standard system account, okay. We will choose this standard system account, then next, okay. Then here what you say, do you want MySQL installer to update the server file permission for you? Yes, grant full permission. Yes, but let me review and configure the level of access, okay. So you can select either one, but we will be choosing the first one because it says yes, grant full access to the user running and the administration group only on the other user, okay. So we'll be giving full permission to the administrator group only, then click next. After that, execute. We don't need to do anything here, we'll simply click execute. Now it is happening from upward to downward, okay. First okay, so now our MySQL installer is completely installed, okay. Then here it says MySQL configuration complete, our configuration is also completed, and then next, okay. So it says completed. So now here you can click or uncheck or check, you can check to launch, okay. So then finish. Now our MySQL server is completely installed in our system. So here you can see this is our MySQL Shell. It is MySQL Shell, right? Then here this is our MySQL Workbench. So now we have to simply click here and set our password. This here we will be typing the password which we have set while installing, while configuring, right? So I told you previously that remember the password, so you will be needing that password over here. So enter the password that you have entered while configuring the MySQL server. So now click in this box, save password involved, then okay. This way we have successfully connected MySQL with our MySQL server. So okay, that's it for this video. I hope you understand. So have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.